Hi everyone, I am Dr. Aisha, working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am here to teach you binary division using restoring algorithm. Basically, there are two kinds of division algorithm. One is the restoring algorithm, the other one is the non-restoring algorithm. I am going to teach you restoring algorithm for today, and this is a basic flowchart for the restoring algorithm. We start, n is initialized with the number of bits, m with the divisor, and a is initialized to 0. Q is where the dividend is stored. And the first step that's done is you perform a shift left the a and q together, and then perform a equal to a minus m. And check the value of a of n, that is the nth bit of a, and if it is equal to 0, we initialize q0 to 1, and if it is equal to 1, we initialize q0 with 0 and restore a. Now because we restore a here, it's called restoration algorithm. And then repeat the process again and again till the number of bits that is there in the number. Now I'm just going to give you an example where you divide 13 by 3, and 13 is your dividend and 3 is your divisor. And 13 in binary is 1101 and your divisor is 0011. And because we are going to do signed division, we are adding one more 0 to m, and because we are going to perform a equal to a minus m, instead of a subtraction we are going to add the 2's complement of the number to a, and so I have found the 2's complement of a by using this method, that is I will find the 1's complement of m and add 1 to it. So I get 11101, and this is nothing but minus m. So your minus m value is 11101. Now n is equal to 4 because we have 4 bits. Now we start with, according to the algorithm, we initialize all a's with 0, q with the dividend, and m is the divisor, and the number of bits is 4. Because we have 4 bits, I have initialized to 4. So the first step that I have to do is, I have to shift left AQ. So when I shift left AQ, this becomes 4 zeros. Because I have 1 here, I shift here, that is 1 bit here, the next bit here. So I discard the 0 and the rest of the digits are moved to the left. So I get 101, and then we do not know the value of q0 because we have not performed the addition. Once we perform the addition, we will fill this q0 bit with the 0 or 1. Now I have to perform the addition, that is the next step that I have to do is perform a equal to a minus m. And I know the value of a is 00001 and minus m is 11101. So I get 0, 1, all ones. So this becomes the value of a, 4 ones and 0, and then I get a 101. Now I have to fill up this bit. Now according to the algorithm, if a of n is equal to 1, I have to fill q0 with 0 and restore a. Because a is 1 here, I have to have 0, then I have to restore a. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 0, 1, 0. So this completes my one step. So n becomes 3 here. So again I start the next action. So the third step that I performed was, so now again I start with shift left AQ. So when I shift left AQ, I get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0. Now again I perform a minus m, 0, 0, 1, 1 with 1, 1, 0, 1. Because it is a 0 here, I fill this with 1. So according to the algorithm, if the 0, Q0 becomes 1 and I don't have to perform the respiration. So the next step is again I shift left. Then perform the addition. So and this is my third step, n equal to 1. So again I perform the addition again. I get the 4 ones and 0, 0, 1, 0. And because it's 1 here, I put a 0 here. So because I have 1 here, I restore the value. So this is my remainder and this is my quotient. So 13 by 3 is, the quotient will be 4 and the remainder will be 1. Here we get, see the content of A is the remainder, we get 1, and the quotient is in Q, we get 0, 1, 0, 0, which is nothing but 4. So we've got the answer. Thank you.